Occupation, which refers to what somebody does for a living.
Put up the sharp now and pay attention.
Ladasha Kwan, please turn on your mic.
Yes, miss.
What does your mom do for a living?
Well, what my mother do while she is living is fold up clothes, put on lip liner, and chat people business.
No, Ladasha. Tell Missy, mute the mic.
I'm muted.
Tell Missy a joke you make. Tell her say a joke you make. Tell her I'm an entrepreneur.
Miss, my mother said to tell you that is a joke I'm making, and she is she is a what?
Entrepreneur.
That she is our hand drop in the door.
I cannot imagine the punishment that come after that call. Hello, lady. Another Jamaican talent has emerged from the social media app TikTok with her comedic sketches about Jamaican life. She's managed to garner a great following. And we are talking about none other than the Basilia Barnaby Cuff, who joins us now. Good morning,
No, Ladasha Kwan. I say I go pan smile Jamaica. Me never tell if smile for Jamaica. Talk to the people in man.
But mama, you say me fi smile for Jamaica. I know that me fi do Delia.
No, Jamaica smile already. You must make them smile. Talk to me about TikTok, Basilia.
Listen,
when and why? When did you decide, you know what, I'm heading to TikTok, and why?
You know, a while ago when you were calling to me and I didn't respond, it's a typical day in the life of Ladasha Kwan. She's always misinterpreting what her mother is saying. You know, this morning our mother told her that she was coming on Smile Jamaica, but she thought her mother said she must come and smile for Jamaica. So
Yes.
that's a typical day in the life of Ladasha Kwan. And you know, TikTok is such a whirlwind, and yes, you should come on over TikTok, Delia.
No, sir.
It's amazing. It's amazing. I actually joined TikTok by accident. I didn't mean to join TikTok. I was actually trying to just view some videos, but Brian wasn't home. That's my husband. He wasn't home. And so I couldn't view it through his account. And so I accidentally created an account. And then when I realized that I couldn't reverse it, or I didn't know how to reverse it, I said, all right, let me just try this thing. And from there, since March of this year, it has been such a wonderful journey, just bringing smiles to people's faces. So it has been wonderful.
That's so awesome. So how do you come up with the sketches?
So being a lecturer and being a parent, I hear some things in online schooling. And I hear, you know, so many different things happening from my friends who are teachers, because what I do is I focus a lot on things that are happening in our online classes, the struggles that students and parents go through on a daily basis. I also, you know, just come up with things that happen around me, things that I hear in church. So it's literally things that I see on a day-to-day basis. I just find a nice way to spin it and, you know, just put laughter to it.
Listen, Jamaican culture is such beauty.
Yes.
And I find that a lot of people literally head to social media because they want to learn more about it. And you focus a lot on Jamaican culture. Do you think that that's part of why your TikTok is so popular, that people just want to find out more about what happens in life in Jamaica?
You know, one of the hashtags that I use daily is nostalgia, because I find that a lot of times persons are just so very happy to relive moments from their childhood, because I do videos that look back at our childhood in terms of, last week I did one how we used to eat gummy bears, not just put it in our mouth, but, you know, do this until it becomes like this whole paste and eat it. You know, I think that people are so very happy, especially in this tough season, to look back at good times, you know, look back at aspects of Jamaican culture that make us so unique. And also persons who are not Jamaican, I find that they are very interested in our culture, very interested in finding out how we speak, how we do things. And people in the diaspora, I think they miss Jamaica so much that they are so very happy to see different tidbits of Jamaica coming out in the different sketches.
Yeah. Do you find that's where a lot of your audience comes from, Jamaicans in the diaspora? Who are your followers?
So we have persons from Jamaica, we have persons from the Caribbean, persons from the diaspora. I have even persons from Africa, because what I've found out over the past few months is that our culture is very similar to that of our Caribbean neighbors
Yes.
and our African family as well.
Quite so.
And so, you know, just seeing the similarities and persons commenting and just showing love to say, hey, we do that in our country too. It has been such an enlightening experience. And, you know, I'm just so grateful that I am able to help to showcase our culture and also see the similarities with others.
I mean, and it's open doors for you. I hear you've done a commercial.
Yes, listen, it has been just so amazing. I've done a commercial featuring my TikTok characters because I have several of them. But the main ones, the main ones are Ladasha Kwan, who is the child, and you saw her in the beginning. And in that video, Ladasha Kwan is always misinterpreting her mother and is always finding some way to misinterpret what the teacher asks her to do on online schooling. I have Sister Gilberta, and Sister Gilberta is a nice little church lady, and you know, she always have on her little hats, you know, and her little glasses, you know, just pitch on her nose. And Sister Gilberta is having a challenge with navigating technology, and she has Alexa. So we know it's Alexa, but Sister Gilberta calls it Alexa. And, you know, she has a challenge navigating technology. You know, persons who are older, sometimes they don't really understand how to navigate the new things that are around. And so I showcased that part of it. And during Olympics, I had somebody who dressed up as a Jamaican, always cheering. And Mama B, which is Ladasha Kwan's mother, is always wearing the signature lip liner. Back in the day, back in the day, and wearing clothespins as earrings, right? I used to do this as a child growing up. I thought it funny to do it in my TikToks. And Mama B is always wearing the lip liner, to the point where people see me on the road and say, you know, I never recognized it without your lip liner. Like, wow. So it has been just so amazing showcasing different aspects of our culture and just watching people enjoy.
Wow, wow, wow. So what's next for you, Basilia?
So for those who know me before TikTok, I'm a broadcaster by profession, and I am just seeing where God leads when it comes on to my gifts making room for me. I am just very happy for the opportunities that have come about as a result of TikTok. And really, I am just going with the flow. Somebody said they hope to see me in a play one day. So Dele, if you're having a play, you know, you can link me up, okay?
Absolutely.
You know? So we'll see. But if the opportunities come up for acting or anything like that, I will definitely jump at it. But I'm just very happy to be able to help people to smile during these troubled and these times that are unprecedented, and literally we can use as many smiles as we can get. So big up to all the other Jamaican TikTokers who also continue to put smiles on our faces.
Everybody's face. It's just the Jamaican way, isn't it? We turn we hand make fashion, and we take in teeth, give a heart, but we just find joy, and we love to share it, and that's amazing. How can persons find you on TikTok? Just look for Basilia.
Yes, Basilia B. Cuff on TikTok. I'm also on Instagram, Basilia B. Cuff. You can find me right across all social media platforms.
Awesome. Very proud of you, Basilia.
Thank you, Delia. Appreciate it. So, you know, Delia, before I go, I have to ask Sister Gilberto, you know, to play a song for you. You know, she and Alexa don't really get along. Alexa, please play Smile a While and Give Your Face a Rest for Sister Delia. You know, Alexa needs to go to church. I tell her to play Smile a While, and she's playing Chronics. But big up Sister Delia. God bless you. Thank you so
God bless you, Sister Alberta. God dance at night time. I hope Pastor know. Oh my, thank you for stopping by. Jamaican TikTok content creator, Basilia Barnaby Cup. Isn't that amazing? I mean, before the pandemic, would have just said broadcaster. COVID opening up doors.